Good afternoon, everybody. We are in the third day of the 60-day trading challenge. And again, the focus is not going to be on the profit, although we made profit again. But the topic today is a bit of learning those who want to, understand after taking the trades, how things will work and other things. For them, it is going to be an interesting day. Just to summarize, today's trade was like we sold the 23,450 put at about 82.50, and we closed it at 57.20, and then we made a reasonable profit. There is no stop loss or nothing got hit over here. But what's interesting is today also, like yesterday's or rather on the Friday's video, you would have seen confidence level. We were saying three, irrespective of the market. Remain again today also selling the put. Why we were a little bit more confident was today's trade did not got triggered at usual 9:30 like the last 2 days, earlier 2 days, whatever it was there. So today it got triggered at 10 o'clock. So then that gave us a bit confidence in terms of volatility getting a little bit absorbed, and then it continued in the same trend. That kind of gave a clarity that it would have been able to generate or rather it will be going in the desired direction. That's what we felt. And then if I look at the chart here, and as you see here, so we sold somewhere here. This is the entry candle at 82.50 we sold. This is the put chart which we have put. So we had put an initial stop loss as usual 1.5 times. That is the 82.5 was the sold premium, and then we had put it at 123.75 was our roughly about 1.5 times is the thing. And then, so with this being the entry candle, we were to revise the stop loss as explained in the Friday's video. If had this premium gone below 41.25, we would have revised our stop loss to 1.5 times the 41.25, but it never, hit that place. And anyway, the trade also I will show you here again the orders. I'll sort it from the product. So you look at only you can ignore the all other trades which are taken for the other different strategies. Whereas here, there are only two orders which are the MIS order, that is the intraday order, where we sold at 10 o'clock. Exactly at 10 o'clock, we got the trigger. So we were ready with the, taking the trade with the strike price and everything. So we could take the trade at entry price is at 82.50, and as it was almost 3:15, this is a 3:14, so at 3:14 we rather initiated that trigger, because before 3:15 we were supposed to exit. So we exited at 52.5, and the closing price probably is somewhere around 46.10. So although we sold it, we covered it at 52. If had we waited till end of the day, it would have got at 46.10. So I just want to touch upon very few points, although it is exactly as per the rule-based trading. In uh, practice, those who are interested in the price action based trading, what normally I do is, like, when we have sold it here, we will also be trailing the stop loss, but definitely we will not be doing this in this program of 60-day trading challenge, because we want to keep the action simple so that everybody understands without even knowing the price action. So, but if the for the people who are interested in the price action, so like it's a 5 minutes candle, right? Like we have, although the trade will be on the 15 minutes chart, we will, for the trailing stop loss, we would be using a 5 minutes chart. And here we would have, when the price moved to this level, so we would have moved the price, our, stop loss to this level. That is the trailing stop loss here. And then again, when it moved to below this, we would have moved, when it started recovering here, this would have been a swing high for us. So we would have moved the stop loss to here. And then again, there was no other opportunity, but we would have ended. So it is just that we would have moved the stop loss. It would have not hit. We would have ended with the same result in that case also. But it is how the trade is normally handled in a normal situation. But here it's a simple without bothering about the price action or any, looking at the price action. We are just taking a simple rule of 50% stop loss, and as soon as the premium decays by 50%, then we will move the stop loss to 50% of the, or rather 1.5 times the level at which it reached. And then further, if it makes a day low, we will be keep trailing the stop loss by multiplying the day low multiplied by 1.5. That is how the trade will be continue to be taken. So in short, all the 3 days we could end in a decent profit. It has already generated 3.6% return, but again, my caution is it is not about the profit. We may be in a very comfortable situation. We may start boasting about the, within 3 trading days we achieved this point. It would have ended in a drawdown phase also. Then we would have, cribbing and things. So here there's no rejoicement or cribbing about the trades what we take. It is all about the sticking to the rules and look for the results after the 60 days, whether it made sense or it did not make sense, whether this kind of approach helps or not is what is going to be the important factor. So that's all for now. So anybody who has got any queries, questions, comments, please do put it on in the YouTube, so that I'll be able to respond back to you. And thanks for now, and have a great day. Looking forward for a great week ahead. Thank you. Bye bye, and take care.